In this video today, we are going to be putting this trx4 fuel cell tank I 3D printed on my Flash Forge. We're going to be putting it in the TRX. And it looks like there's only 2 bolts on this side and 2 bolts on the other side. And then it looks like it should just slide in. So we're going to get into this video and we're going to try it. So to take this section out here, you're going to need a 2.0 millimeter hex. And there's only 2 on each side. So we're going to take this one out. And then there's one more behind it. And then we're going to do the other side. Okay, so now that we got all 4 screws on this side out, this should just come right out. Like so. And then we should be able to take our fuel cell we 3D printed and it should slide right in. And it does slide in, but I want to make sure I put it in right because we just slide it in like so. That, and then this should slide right back on. Now, that's in like that. That's in. Okay, so now what we can do is take our 2.0 millimeter hex. And there's 4 of them. Put it right back in on this side. And this is all for that scale realistic look. And this is the Traxxas trx4. Now I'm only going to put the 2 screws back in because I do want to try to print a couple of different tanks. I want to try to print one in an ABS. This one's printed in PLA. So I want to do a clear filament, I think. That'd be pretty cool. And also I want to try to make one that looks like it's scale, beat up looking to go with the truck. So let's take a look at it underneath and see how it looks. I think it came out overall pretty good. And this is the Traxxas TRX79 Ford Bronco fuel cell install 3D printed tank. I think it came out pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. And then on a follow-up video, maybe on the next video, we can 3D print maybe like an engine to put in here. I think that'd be pretty cool. And I want to get a wide kit. A wide body. Not like a wide body, but like I want to make these wheels stick out a little bit further. And maybe eventually we'll get the pods. The pod lights. I did notice this. It has a little plug right here for accessories, I think. Or is that for a fan? Not 100% sure, but this is the Traxxas TRX 79 Bronco, and that was just a quick video on how to install a fuel cell tank in it. Like the video, share the video, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video when we do a engine for that. Thanks for watching.